Good afternoon, class. Again, this is Michael Bellamy, Senior. This is week 5. A few questions that were posed to us. How writing from an empathetic viewpoint changed your voice in social media. What are you aware of that you weren't before? Well, definitely going into the definition of empathy. Empathy was simply recognizing emotions, in other words, and being able to put yourself in another person's shoes. Understanding the other person's perspective or reality. In this class, under the leadership of Dr. Wilson, I've grown to understand that to be empathetic, you have to think beyond yourself and your concerns. Class, it's important to note that once we see beyond our own world, self, and feelings, we will then recognize that there's so much to discover and appreciate about our social audience and or platform that we have as far as our influence. The next question that was posed to us was, have you discovered or honed your voice? I believe I've been successful. I have successfully discovered and honed my voice in social media. Again, I'm a rookie in it. I've been in it since May, since the class started. The Bible says in Proverbs 18:21 that death and life are in the power of the tongue. So there's power in the tongue in what we say, even what we're typing. And they that love it, the Bible says, shall eat the fruit thereof. Discovering that there's power within my voice creates responsibility in me, confidence, and influence. The next question that was posed to me, what have I learned about the value of choosing my words wisely? Well, I can think back to the question about my mom. My mother would always say to me growing up, choose your words wisely, son. Well, she was right. Sticks and stones may break our bones, and yes, words will hurt as well. Do unto others as you have them do unto you. When you have that principle, that understanding, you choose your words wisely because words do hurt. There's power in your tongue. It's been a great class. I've learned a lot. The post that I put on Twitter was racism, and you'll see that post, Dr. Wilson, when you click on the highlighted link. But again, thank you for your leadership and your due diligence. Social media has opened my eyes to quite a bit of ideas and understanding that you can reach a lot of people through social media when you put the full armor of God on. God bless you. God bless the class. And you all stay blessed. Bye for now.